Hello everyone, very good evening. Hello everyone, very good evening and welcome back to today's session. And today we are going to deep dive our Excel project where we are going to analyze our sales pizza data by using the Excel here. You know, so before we jump in our today agenda, please confirm in the chat my voice and my camera and everything is proper visible and audible to you guys so that we can proceed further, right? Okay, I believe my voice and my camera and everything is proper visible to you guys. And as per our agenda, we are going to deep dive our portfolio project by using the Excel, and this is going to really very helpful for session for anyone who want to pursue career in a data field, right? So before we begin, just one announcement that this class is going to be happen in both language like Hindi and English. First, I try to explain in English and again in Hindi so that everyone can grab things properly, right? So before we jump, we have data called sales, and I just want to jump on our Excel file, and here you can see clearly my screen. There you can see I have prepared this final report, final dashboard by using the pizza sales data, right? And we are able to reach that goal within some minute, right? Not taking the too much time. And you are able to analyze the sales data by using the simple concept called pivot table and other options. Here I have added the slicer to make the dynamic, and it's a proper dynamic uh, dashboard. You can see once you click here everything is going to a change, right? So these are our main goal. From here we have to reach from very beginning, from raw data is something like that. And I have share the raw data in a WhatsApp group, so you guys can download that raw data and follow along with me so that we can on the same page and everyone can able to follow along with me, right? So मैंने ग्रुप में शेयर कर रखा है ऑलरेडी, और ये हमारा एंड गोल जो है इस तरीके से कुछ हम डैशबोर्ड बनाएंगे, ठीक है, जो कि प्रॉपर आप देख पा रहे हैं कि बिल्कुल डायनेमिक डैशबोर्ड होगा इस तरीके से, जो कि आप अपने पोर्टफोलियो में या फिर रिज्यूमे में ऐड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। एज अ बिगिनर लेवल ये बहुत ही हेल्प करेगा आपको जॉब पाने में, और आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाएगा किस तरीके से रियल वर्ल्ड इंडस्ट्री में एक्सेल को यूज़ करके डेटा को एनालाइज किया जाता है, ठीक है। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि सब कुछ अच्छे से विजुअल है और सब कुछ अच्छे से आप लोगों को क्लियर है। रॉ डेटा ऑलरेडी मैंने शेयर कर रखा है ग्रुप में, तो वहाँ से जाके आप रॉ डेटा ले सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो बिफोर वी बिगिन आई जस्ट वांट टू okay, so before we begin we have raw data. This is called the pizza sales data, and I believe this is visible to you guys. And we have some problem statement, because every analysis start with some problem statement. We have to solve some business scenario questions, and we have to solve some uh, like uh, some problem statement to reach out our end goal by using the data, right? Because by saying this raw data you are not able to predict anything, like you are not able to uh, tell anything about the data, right? So that purpose I have build this project for you guys. So here is the project problem statement. You can see clearly: create a interactive Excel dashboard to analyze future sales performance and answer key business questions. Here are the some key business question which is arrived from the management side. Suppose revenue generation and trend over time. We have to analyze the data to know how what are the revenue generation by the over the time. So for that purpose we are going to use some call the trend analysis and best selling pizza category and size wise and peak ordering and days and hour wise, so that they can align our proper operations team to manage the crowd at that time, right? So top performing pizza by revenue and quantity, action to improve revenue and perform operational efficiency, right? So these are the problem statement we have from the management team, right? So data set overview, you can see here we have order id, order date, overtime, product information. I have like a pizza name, pizza category, pizza size, quantity, unit price, and total price. Here you can see clearly here, right? Here I have order details, order id, pizza id, quantity, order date, order time, pizza category, pizza name, and a unit price, total price, and pizza size, right? I believe everyone are able to see the data, and everyone follow the along with me, right? So these are the agenda and these are the data. We have to find solve these business problems so that can business can take the decision, right? सो जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हैं ये प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है, जैसे कि मैंने आपको दिखाया, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको जो है रिवेन्यू जनरेशन ट्रेंड ओवर टाइम निकालना है, बेस्ट सेलिंग पिज्जा कैटेगरी वाइज और साइज वाइज आपको निकालना है, पीक ऑर्डरिंग टाइम और डे निकालना है, सो डैट कि जो है कोई भी अपना जो है ऑपरेशन टीम को उस तरीके से डिजाइन कर पाए कि उस समय पीक टाइम में जो है वर्क फोर्स ना बिगड़े, सब कुछ मतलब बैलेंस रहे, राइट? और टॉप परफॉर्मिंग पिज्जा निकालना है बाय रिवेन्यू एंड क्वांटिटी वाइज, राइट? एक्शन टू इम्प्रूव द रिवेन्यू एंड ऑपरेशनल एफिशिएंसी, और बाद में रिकमेंडेशन देना है कि क्या स्टेप ले सकते हैं, ठीक है, ऑपरेशनल एफिशिएंसी और रिवेन्यू जनरेट करने के लिए, इंप्रूव करने के लिए, ठीक है। डेटा सेट मैंने आपको कुछ दिखाया कि इस तरीके से हमारे पास ऑर्डर डिटेल है, ऑर्डर आईडी है, पिज़्ज़ा आईडी है, क्वांटिटी है, ऑर्डर डेट है, ऑर्डर टाइम है, पिज़्ज़ा कैटेगरी, पिज़्ज़ा नेम, यूनिट प्राइस, टोटल प्राइस, एंड पिज़्ज़ा साइज, ठीक है। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग अच्छे से डेटा को समझ पा रहे होंगे, सो दैट वी कैन लाइक स्टार्ट आवर फर्दर थिंग्स, राइट? So if everything is clear here till here, so please confirm in the chat, so and that we can like proceed further. So if everything is clear to you guys, so please confirm as in the chat so that we can start. अगर सब कुछ अभी तक क्लियर हो रहा है तो आप एक बार ऐस कर दीजिए चैट में, जिससे कि हम जो है आगे अपना चीज़ें स्टार्ट कर पाएँ, ठीक है? ठीक है, मैं अज्यूम करता हूँ एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू क्लियर टू यू गाइज एंड यू गाइज आर able to like grab the things. Okay, so our first thing, what we are when we have given any data, first our first steps is going to like a cleaning or preparation, preparing our data, right? So data preparation and data cleaning is our the first step. So our first step is going to a data cleaning, because you can see here this data is not in that much informational format, right? So we had to like convert this data in a order time format, and the order date into in a date format, right? So our first step is going to like start with the data cleaning and the data preparation. So here you can use the two method. We are going to use, first of all we are going to just convert it in a table. So for that you just have to like click over here anywhere on the table, on the sheet, and just press the control T. When you press the control T, you can see all the range are selected, and make sure to select my header as my table as header, right? सो हमारे टेबल में हेडर भी है, तो इसको जो है इस तरीके से आप सिलेक्ट करके जस्ट ओके करेंगे या फिर इंटर करेंगे, तो इस तरीके से टेबल फॉर्मेट में आ जाएगा हमारा डेटा कुछ इस तरीके से. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू यूज आवर डेटा इन टेबल फॉर्मेट टू मेक दैट our reports and our analysis in a dynamic way. So that purpose we use table format here, right? So here you can see order date is not in the proper format, so we need to like convert in a date format. For that purpose we use control shift and hash column. So here you can see it's going to proper like in a date format, right? You can use control shift hash. So here you can see, you can, so 1 minute please, I just need to like select all the column here like this. Like this, sorry, like this. We need to like select and control shift and hash we have to press to like a convert in a proper format, right? So proper date format we should need to press the one shortcut key that is called the control shift and has to convert in a date format, and this is also in the text format, so we should also need to like convert in a proper date format, so can so that we can use in our reports. Now here you can like this you can change data type, right? So this is the first step, and here you can also see order time in not in proper format. For that we are also going to like select all the data and just going to control shift add the rate of symbol, so that is to convert in the proper time format, right? So I believe everyone are able to do the same, and everyone सब लोग अच्छे से कर पा रहे हैं। डेट फॉर्मेट में करने के लिए हम कंट्रोल शिफ्ट हैज़ प्रेस करते हैं, और जो है टाइम फॉर्मेट में करने के लिए हम कंट्रोल शिफ्ट एट द रेट फॉर्मेट प्रेस करते हैं, तो ये अपने आप उसमें जो है कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। तो अगर यहाँ तक सब लोग कर पा रहे हैं तो एक बार ऐसा करके ज़रूर बताएं, सो डैट वी कैन स्टार्ट विद आवर other part, right? So there are a lot of there are some main more column we should have to like add like a column month name, month number, and for trend analysis, and like hour for like peak ordering and time analysis, like these type of the things we have to add here. So here we have to add the one more column called like a month, you can say. So we need to add the one more column here called month. So we are going to just type month, and here I am just going to apply one formula that is called the text is going to like ask for your value, and want you in which format do you want to return. So I want to return in like for month we should like to return in this format. So make sure to like type like this. If you want short, so type in 3, and if you want to full, so type 4 here, and close the brackets and just hit the enter. Here you can see we are able to find out our month from the data. तो आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं सिंपल से हमने एक टेक्स्ट फंक्शन को लगा के हम अपने जो है इस प्रकार के कुछ डेटा में से हम जो है मंथ को निकाल पा रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो उस तरीके से हमको एक और कॉलम ऐड करना है मंथ नंबर के लिए, ठीक है। तो मंथ नंबर के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, मंथ नंबर निकालना है, मान लो हमें मंथ नंबर। सो यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक फॉर्मूला लगाना पड़ेगा मंथ, MONTS मंथ, और यहाँ से जाके इसको सिलेक्ट कर लेना है और इस तरीके से ब्रैकेट्स क्लोज कर देना है, इंटर मारना है। इस तरीके से आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हैं टेबल फॉर्मेट रखने का फ़ायदा यह है कि हमें फार्मूला को नीचे तक ड्रैग भी नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, ये ऑटो फिल हो जा रहा है नीचे तक, ठीक है। तो इस पर्पज़ के लिए हम जो है टेबल फॉर्मेट का यूज़ करते हैं। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब कुछ अच्छे से क्लियर हो पा रहा होगा। वन मोर कॉलम हम यहाँ ऐड करेंगे जिसको हम कहते हैं कि डे ऐड करेंगे, डे नेम डे। तो डे के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, फिर से वही फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे टेक्स्ट, and we are going to add one more column that is called the day. For day we are going to use the same formula that is called the text function, and under the text function we are going to add for day we are going to add 3 times day, and just going to close the brackets, just hit the enter. You are able to here get the date also, right? तो आपने जो है टेक्स्ट का फंक्शन यूज़ करके डे भी आप निकाल पा रहे हैं, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज़ और ऐड करना चाहता हूँ जिसको हम बोलते हैं हमारा डे हो गया, डे नेम हो गया, ठीक है, मंथ नेम हो गया और मंथ नंबर हो गया। आवर्स निकालना चाहते हैं हम, तो आवर्स के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे एक और कॉलम ऐड करेंगे हम आवर्स, एंड here we are going to type the call function hour, and under the hour function we are going to just select this and the close brackets and hit the enter. So you are able to get the hours also. So why we add this column, because we have to like analyze our data, like trend, we have to find out the trend. So that purpose we have added the month name and month number here, and we have to find out the peak offering time analysis. For that purpose we have add the hour here, right? So And you can say here, see here, we have added one more column that is called a day name. So for weekdays analysis, right, so that we can analyze our data, like in which day sales is going to most like this. If you see our previous dashboard here, no, this is not. Let me clear this. And here you can see, here we have to like analyze our data like this, right? So if everything is going to clear till here, please comment in the section S, so that we can like proceed further. अगर सब कुछ अच्छे से क्लियर हो रहा है तो एक बार यहाँ पे कर दीजिए यस, जो कि हम आगे जो है आगे कंटिन्यू कर पाएँ। और अब जो है इस तरीके से कुछ हमें जो है कैलकुलेशन परफॉर्म करना है, जैसे कि हमें निकालना है टोटल रिवेन्यू, टोटल ऑर्डर, डिस्टेंट ऑर्डर एंड टोटल पिज़्ज़ा सोल्ड, एवरेज ऑर्डर वैल्यू एंड पिज़्ज़ा पिज़्ज़ा पर एवरेज पिज़्ज़ा पर ऑर्डर, राइट। सो इसके लिए हम जो है यूज़ करेंगे कुछ इस तरीके से। One minute. So we have this data, right? So we have to find out the total revenue, total distance order. Let me copy this. Let me copy till here like this, control C, and here for calculation page we have to find out these values, like a total revenue. Total revenue is what? Total revenue is going to our total sales value. Here for total revenue we are going to sum the total price here. So but here we are going to apply one simple formula that is called, this is called the like a KPI calculation, key performance indicator. Like we have to find out the total revenue, total orders, distinct total orders, and total pizza sold, average value for order, right, and the average pizza per order. We have to find out that these KPIs as well, so that we can add this analysis in our report and dashboard, and this is like a very useful number, right? So सो यहाँ पे जो है हमको ये सारा कुछ निकालना है, जो कि हमारा मेन KPI होगा। इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, KPI इसके लिए इक्वल टू साइन प्रेस करेंगे, सम ऑफ, यहाँ से जाके ये रॉ डेटा का हम ले लेंगे यूनिट प्राइस, और यहाँ से यहाँ तक सारा सिलेक्ट करके ब्रैकेट्स क्लोज करके इंटर करेंगे, तो ये हमारा कुछ इस तरीके से हो जाएगा। और इसको जो है हम प्रॉपर जो है फॉर्मेट कर लेंगे, क्योंकि हमें जो है इस तरीके से कुछ डेटा चाहिए, ठीक है। तो टोटल रेवेन्यू हमारा ये हो गया। टोटल ऑर्डर क्या होगा, टोटल ऑर्डर होगा हमारा यूनिक, वी आर यूजिंग टू फंक्शन है, यूनिक प्लस काउंट ए, and for that purpose we are going to count our order id, order id. One minute, order id, yes, we are going to count the order id here, and just close, hit the enter, and you are able to find out the value here. So you are able to find out the value as well, right? 21350 21 count a unique table to order id, and what we have here, consider order id. Sorry, we have to find out the count first, count, and then unique. So we are able to get our unique value here. So I believe everyone able to do the same and follow along with me. If anyone struggle, please let me know, so that we can stay on the same page, right? So here you can see we are able to like find out the total orders, and we have to find out the total pages sold. For that purpose we are going to use the sum of table quantity, sum of table quantity. For that purpose we are going to use sum of quantity from here. This is our quantity column, and we have to sum of these value, and this is going to our total pizza sold, right? So let me check so that everything is like clear. 494574, right? So we are able to find out, and we have to find out the average order value. For that purpose we are going to like divide the total pizza sold average order value. No, we are going to like a total pizza sold divide by total orders, right? Once we hit the enter, we are able to get the we are able to get the average order value, right? Sorry, average order. For average order value we have to hit this formula, and we have to like divide our total revenue by the our total distance orders, right? So that we are able to find out the total order value. And average pizza sold, we are going to average pizza per order, so we are going to use to like divide our total pizza sold by distance pizza sold. Here you can see here, and we are going to round it 0 or 2, like this. So we are able to like find out our KPIs here, and I believe everyone are like able to find out the KPI, and if yes, please confirm, and so that we can move further for the our uh, second step, like, right? सो अगर यहाँ तक सबको अच्छे से क्लियर हो रहा है, एक बार बता दीजिए, जिससे कि हम जो है अपने सेकंड जो है उस पर जो है मूव कर पाएँ, ठीक है? ओके, सो उम्मीद करता हूँ अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा होगा आप लोगों को। अब यहाँ पे हमको निकालना है सेल्स परफॉर्मेंस, लाइक रेवेन्यू शोज अ कंसिस्टेंट ट्रेंड विद द नोटिसेबल सीजन वेरिएंस, एंड वी हैव टू लाइक 1 minute. Okay, so we have to like we have to find out the monthly revenue trend. So as per our first problem statement, we have to find out the monthly revenue trend. First we have to find out the monthly revenue trend, and for that we are going to use our pivot table option here. So we are going to do control A, and under insert section we are able to find out the pivot option, and here we are going to use the existing sheet here, and we are going to give the location this, and just hit the enter. So we are able to perform the uh, pivot table here, right? So our main goal is find out the monthly revenue trend. So for that purpose we are going to search month, and we are going to hit the month in the raw column, and total price in the value column, so that we can find out our monthly revenue trend by using the simple that is called pivot table, राइट। सो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ पाइवेट टेबल को आप लोग अच्छे से समझ पा रहे होंगे, क्योंकि हमने पहले भी देखा है, हमारे पहले सेशन में हमने देखा था कि पाइवेट टेबल क्या होता है, किस तरीके से कितना यूज़फुल होता है। टू समराइज और एनालाइज आवर डेटा वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ आवर पाइवेट टेबल दैट इज़ गोइंग टू लाइक वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर डेटा एनालिसिस, राइट। सो मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों को अच्छे से अभी तक समझ में आ पा रहा है। अगर आप लोग अच्छे से समझ पा रहे हैं तो एक बार ज़रूर बताइए, सो डैट हम जो है अपनी जर्नी को आगे कंटिन्यू करें, ठीक है। तो यहाँ तक अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा होगा सबको, उम्मीद करता हूँ, ठीक है। तो अभी हमने देखा कि किस तरीके से हम जो है मंथली रेवेन्यू ट्रेंड निकाल सकते हैं। उसी तरीके से सपोज हमें निकालना है कि रिवेन्यू बाई सेकंड, हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था सेकंड प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग हमें निकालना था कि रिवेन्यू बाई कैटेगरी। सो इसके लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे सिंपल सा यही अपना पाइवट टेबल। सो हम इसको क्या करेंगे, कंट्रोल C करके यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर देंगे। इस तरीके से आप जो है पाइवट टेबल को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और यहाँ से जाके हम जो है यहाँ पे कैटेगरी ले लेंगे, मंथ को रिप्लेस करेंगे और यहाँ पे आके हम सर्च करेंगे कैटेगरी पिज़्ज़ा कैटेगरी, राइट। एंड यहाँ पे इसको इस तरीके से ड्रैग कर देंगे। फॉर रेवेन्यू बाय कैटेगरी वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ द पिज़्ज़ा कैटेगरी इन द रो कॉलम एंड in the row section, and for value we are going to use the price here, right. And here you can see also, here you can manage this also. By selecting all the data you are able to manage, the value, how much value you are want to so after the decimal, right. So this is the way you can use the pivot table. And third objective was our third objective is find out the quantity by size. So our third objective is to find out the quantity by size. So for that we are also going to use the same, just paste Control A and just do the Control V here. And we have to find out the quantity by size. So we have to remove this section as well, and this also. And we have to find out the size here. Just type in the search for size and drag in the row section and search for the quantity, and the search in the value format in the value section. So you are able to find out the data by the size wise, right. So we have to analyze our data, so that we can do analysis which size is performing well or which size is performing below, right. So this is the third objective we have made. And fourth we have to one more problem statement that is called for. And under the for section we are going to see peak days analysis. So उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, सिंपल वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड day section in a month, day section in the month, day in the month, and quantity, sum of the quantity in the sum of the total price. But we have to find out the quantity here, so just going to remove and search for quantity and drag here. So you are able to find out the weekday wise our data here. You can see it's a sort already in a ascending order. We can also sort it as per our need. So let's first create our all the pivot table so that we can create final our dashboard. If everyone are able to follow the same in till here, so please confirm. Okay, I believe everyone are able to follow the same. And our fifth objective is to find out the 4 peak days analysis we have done. Peak hour analysis we have to find out a peak hours analysis. Also for that purpose we are just going to copy the same and just paste here, and just going to replace with hour here. Just going to replace our hour column here. So we have to find out the hours, and here and here we should need to add the price. total price, right? So here you can see clearly it's also give us the value uh, by hourly count. So when we are like going to create our final like a chart and stuff, so everything is going to clear to you guys, so don't worry till here. Please follow the same so that we can find we are able to like create our final objective like this, right? So we have like six objectives. The top 10 pizza by revenue. We have to find out the top 10 pizza by revenue. So we are going to just copy. This is the actual work of data analyst, right? So we have to like a copy paste, but we have to have logic in our mind so that we are able to like find out the things, right? So we have to find out the thing. We have to pizza name here and total sum of price, and we also need to like filter it, and here you can see pizza. By value we are able to find out the top 10 value only. So 1 minute please. Item section we have to add the top 10 top 10 like this, and you are able to find out the top 10, and we should also need to like sort in the descending order so that our largest value on the top. Here you can see, and we also need to like reduce this, decrease our decimal places like this. So I think we are able to till here we are able to follow the till here, everyone are on the same page, and सब लोग यहाँ तक कर पा रहे होंगे अच्छे से। अगर कर पा रहे हैं एक बार जो है एस ज़रूर टाइप कर दीजिए, जो जिससे कि हम जो है अपना जो है फाइनल डैशबोर्ड की तरफ मूव कर पाएँ, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे हमने देख लिया कि किस तरीके से हम जो है अपना जो है बेस क्रिएट कर पा रहे हैं। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द कैलकुलेशन, क्योंकि before dashboard and reports we have to calculate the things so that we can represent in our proper format, right? So till here I think everything is visible and everything is audible to you guys, and you guys are able to follow the same, and you guys are able to like grab the things, right? So our final objective was to create our dashboard. So finally we are going to create our dashboard. So we are going to create our dashboard. So our first objective here, we have to like add 1 minute, we have to add this section. This is called our header section. So we are just going to like I'm just going to letting you know guys how to add this section here. So for that you are just to have to go in the insert section. On the insert section you will find out the icon option. Under the icon you are also able to find out the lot of thing here, 3D image and the icon as well, and I'm just going to use I'm just going to use this one, and you guys also use anything as per your choice and as per your need. So I'm just going to use this one rectangle, right? And just going to scratch like this, and I think it's a proper visual to you guys, and you guys are able to follow the same. If yes, please please reply in the chat. And again we are just going to insert one more. Just do Control C and Control V here, and just press Control 1 to like change the color. I want to gradient fill, and I want to this color should be we are going to use the same color which we have earlier. So not that way, we are just going to under this section, and here we are just going to format save cell. Under this we are just going to use this one, and just going to like no fill, no solid fill, right? And line, for line we are going to use no line here, and just going to close this and apply this here, so that it's going to proper visual to you guys like this, right? I think till here everyone are able to like do the same, and we also need to like do something like that. We have to like select this area. No. We just need to like create our background first. So we have to like select this area like this, and I'm just going to color it with this color like this. This is little dark, so by this. Okay, so we are going to use this color here, and in the view section you can see there are one more option called that is called under here you have the grid line. You should have to like uncheck the grid line, so that it's a proper visual, it's a useful like for the, it's a now become the usable for the our dashboard. So till here everything I think going to clear to you guys, and I'm just going to copy and do paste this section, because I don't want to do lot of manual things here, because it may be time consuming, you know. So I'm just going to paste it here and make it like this. Okay, so you guys can like adjust as per your choice, as per your color, and this is the way actually you can follow. And here I am just going to do one more thing, that is called okay, yeah, I'm just going to copy this also, and paste it here. You can also like search on the browser, and you're able to find out the same. So I'm just going to click this, control click this, and this one as well, and right click and going to group. It's already group, so no worries, it's already group. So you need to like make in group, so that we when we are like dragging or anything else doing here, so it's going not going to like change anything. So keep in mind this thing also, right? So I'm going to use till here, and for this also we are going to, I'm just going to like copy this area. No, we need to like reduce this size as well. I think everything is clear, right? So we should need to like adjust like this, and now it's a proper visual, right? Like this. One more here, like this. You can adjust this, and group section is already group, like, right? So I think everything is clear till now. Here we have done with the basic, and we have add the title of the our dashboard, and we also need to like copy this and paste it color here like this, and make the everything in the same color. Okay, so we are able to till here we are able to do the same thing till here. So our next objective was we have to add these KPIs here. So how we are going to add this? For that purpose we also need to create some like this here. We also need to like create this so that we can add our our KPI here. So just do this, and if you want to more, so just like this and control and like this you can drag, so it's going to fit. And from here I'm just going to remove the color, and by pressing the control A I'm just going to remove the line as well. So here you can see it's a proper visible, and now we are able to see properly it's visible, right? So we have to कॉपी दिस फॉर 5 टाइम. तो इसको हमें 5 टाइम कॉपी करना है और यहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है कि हमारा सारा KPI जो है इसी में आ जाए. इस तरीके से हम इसको एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. और इसको हम थोड़ा सा नीचे लेके चलेंगे क्योंकि ऊपर अभी हमको ऐड करना है स्लाइसर भी, ठीक है, वो भी हमें दिमाग में रखना है. तो बाय प्रेसिंग द कंट्रोल or just pressing the shift we are able to select all the things in one time, and just press the control and down arrow for control and down arrow. It's going to down like this. Make sure to adjust this, and then in a format shape just click here, and under format pane you are able to find out the things like arrange and the group, rotate, main thing here. And we have also one more thing that is called adjust this in a shape format under the shape. Till here everything is clear, I believe. So I believe everything is going to clear to you guys, and we just need to like not to insert something. We just go home, and in a home in a editing section, nothing in a format, protect cell, move and copy, nothing. I'm searching for one more option so that I can send backward forward alignment. Oh yeah, right, this is part. So it can be different in your UI as well, because I'm using the Mac, and I think if anyone like using Windows, so it may be changed, slightly changed, right? So here you can see it's here, it's called the distributed horizontally. Just click after selecting, and this is going to like align your space in a proper way, right? So here you are able to like add this also, and we also have to add the some uh, slicer as well, so that we can make it more uh, more more dynamic, right? So for that purpose we have to add the some slicer as well. So first slicer is going to we are going to add the pizza type. So for that purpose we are just going to here and just click here, and the slicer is also a kind of you can say kind of filter, but it visible on the page level, and this is also it is also available in the Power BI also, right? So ये फिल्टर से जो है थोड़ा एडवांस होता है पिज़्ज़ा, जो सॉरी ये स्लाइसर, जो कि जो है आपको फ़िल्टर की तरह जो है पेज पे एक्टिव होता है. वहाँ से यूज़र बहुत इजीली उसको सिलेक्ट करके अपना सारा टास्क परफॉर्म कर सकता है, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे हमको लेना है पिज़्ज़ा कैटेगरी और लेना है पिज़्ज़ा साइज़ को. तो यहाँ से हम ले लेंगे पिज़्ज़ा साइज़ को और ओके कर देंगे. तो इस तरीके से यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. इस पर थोड़ी सी फॉर्मेटिंग करते हैं. वी हैव टू डू सम फॉर्मेटिंग एज वेल. सो just click here, and here you can see we just need to make it 5 and close, drag this, make it like this, and click here, right click, and here you can see one more thing, slicer setting. Under the slicer setting you are able to find out the header, display header, but we don't want to like a display our header, so in this case we are just going to remove the display here, header here. so same for the this also. so इसके लिए हम सेम करेंगे इस तरीके से। उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ सब कुछ अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है, सब कुछ कर पा रहा है। अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो एक बार हमको ज़रूर बता दीजिए, जिससे कि जो है हम उसको आगे टैकल कर पाएँ। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से हमने जो है देख लिया कि जो है स्लाइसर जो है हमने बना लिया है। 2 स्लाइसर हमने बनाया, एक पिज़्ज़ा कैटेगरी के ऊपर, एक पिज़्ज़ा साइज़ के ऊपर। जस्ट इसको क्या करेंगे, या तो आप कॉपी कर लीजिए या फिर कंट्रोल एक्स से इसको कट कर लीजिए, और कट करके यहाँ डैशबोर्ड सेक्शन में आके यहाँ पे इस तरीके से पेस्ट कर दीजिए। ठीक है, सो बोलता है कि नहीं है। ठीक है, वन मोर टाइम, लेट मी चेक। ओके, वी हैव दिस, एंड then we go here and just we are going to paste it like this, and again for this also we are just going to cut it and paste it over here like this. Just make sure to arrange it like this. So I think everything is visible, right, and everyone are able to follow the same. तो यहाँ पे हमने जो है पिज़्ज़ा कैटेगरी और उसको जो है दोनों तरीके से दो स्लाइसर यहाँ पे हमने ऐड कर लिया है, जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे होंगे यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से। वी आर एबल टू ऐड द 2 things here, pizza category and pizza size here, so that user can directly click here and filter out our data. So till here it's not connected with anything, so don't worry about that. So I think we are able to done till here, and we also need to add one more thing, that is called the trend. So for this also we are just going to click here and just going to enter in insert section, and here you can see the timeline, and we are going to add the timeline based on our order date, or also we can use for order time. So it's going to like this, right? And we also need to like do something here, like we need to do some cleaning, and for that purpose we should just need to like remove this month only, and we want to remove there are a lot of options available. Let me check first, and like this, remove timeline, group, assign, macro size, property, autofill, services, paste, copy. We have to like here, from here we can add remove the header, just remove the header, and we can also remove the scrollable, but we need to add time level, we can remove, and the selection level we are also going to remove. And here you can see we are able to create our trend as well. Here you can see here we are able to like create our timeline as well, right here. So here once you click here under the timeline section, and you will find a lot of variety of like formatting as well. So suppose I am going to use this, so you can choose as per your choice, and just going to cut and paste it over here. So it's going to like act like a slicer on our page. We can also add it here because we have a lot of space. Adjust this, and I'm just going to add it here, so you guys are able to see everything is proper. Okay, so you guys are able to do the same here. Till here we have we are able to like add our slicer timeline, right? So our next part is we are just going to add um, we are just going to add these value on the over there, right? So for revenue we are just going to copy the revenue section and just going to paste it here like this. So click that object and place in the paste in a formula bar and hit the enter. So I think it's not, it's invalid. Why it's invalid? Let me check first. Okay, it's pasted over here. Let me delete it first. We want to add here. Click here, control paste and hit the end. Reference isn't valid. We also can use this equal to, and in a calculation section we are going to just use this and hit the enter, and here you are able to find out our total revenue. For other we are going to follow the same. उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ यहाँ तक सबको अच्छे से क्लियर हो रहा होगा और सब लोग अच्छे से कर पा रहे हैं. अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो एक बार बता दीजिए, जिससे कि हम जो है एक बार दोबारा रिवाइज कर लेंगे कोई भी टॉपिक होगा. ठीक है, ओके. तो कुछ इस तरीके से हम यहाँ पे जो है टोटल रेवेन्यू ऐड कर लिए. इसकी थोड़ी सी फॉर्मेटिंग कर लेते हैं. इसको हम जो है इस तरीके से यहाँ पे मिडिल में नॉट मिडिल एंड सॉरी गाइस. सो इस तरीके से हम जो है कुछ इस तरीके से टोटल रेवेन्यू के यहाँ कर लेते हैं. इसको अगर आप थोड़ा साइज बढ़ाना चाहें तो इस तरीके से सिलेक्ट करके यहाँ से बढ़ा सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमने टोटल रेवेन्यू कर लिया यहाँ पे, और जो है अब हमको लेके आना है इस तरीके से टोटल ऑर्डर्स को. तो हम कॉपी करके तो ले नहीं जा पा रहे थे, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे, इन फार्मूला बार में जाएंगे, यहाँ से इक्वल टू करके ये वाला सिंपल सा रेंज ले लेंगे लाइक दिस. सो वी आर एबल टू फॉलो द सेम एंड जस्ट गो एंड copy this format and paste it here. So it's just going to like follow the same format, and for this also we are just going to repeat the same. सो अगर कोई दिक्कत हो रही है आप लोगों को एक बार बता दीजिए. अभी हम जो है जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट ही कर रहे हैं, रिपीटेड वर्क कर रहे हैं, और आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे अच्छे से सब कुछ हो पा रहा है. यहाँ पे यहाँ का फॉर्मेट लेने के लिए इस तरीके से जाएंगे यहाँ पे और सिंपल से लाके क्लिक कर देंगे इस तरीके से, और यहाँ पे जाके फिर से इक्वल टू करेंगे और इक्वल टू करके इस तरीके से कैलकुलेशन में जाएंगे और ये वाला रेफरेंस हम लेके इंटर कर देंगे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे सब कुछ अच्छे से हो पा रहा है, आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, एक छोटा सा बॉक्स और क्रिएट करते हैं, या फिर इसी को मैं कॉपी करता हूँ और यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर देता हूँ नीचे, जस्ट नीचे, एंड इसको मैं डिलीट मार देता हूँ ये रेफरेंस को, हिट द एंटर. सो going to delete this like this, and just going to resize this like little bit smaller, more smaller like this, and paste it over here and make it. Just do one more thing, just do copy for the all the KPIs like this, 2 3 4, and I'm just going to add it here and click over here and send to back, and it's going to align, and just going to select the both the object and just going to group it, right? It's a grouped already, and if not, so you just have to choose the group icon here, right? So you're able to find out the same, and I'm just going to control set. First we need to like add that value equal to, एंड इन कैलकुलेशन सेक्शन हम जाएंगे इस तरीके से, यहाँ से वही सेम चीज़ हम रिपीट करते जा रहे हैं, और इसको थोड़ा सा हम जो है फॉर्मेटिंग कर लेते हैं, इसकी साइज़ को थोड़ा सा बढ़ा देते हैं, बोल्ड कर देते हैं इस तरीके से, जिससे कि ये प्रॉपर आपको विजिबल हो, ठीक है। तो यहाँ से आप देख पा रहे हैं बहुत अच्छे से हो पा रहा है ये सब, ठीक है, ये सब चीज़ें अच्छे से हो पा रही हैं, ठीक है। और इसको मैं अभी जो है सेम चीज़ को यहाँ से उठाता हूँ और यहाँ पे ऐड करता हूँ इस तरीके से, और सेम इसको उठाता हूँ यहाँ पे ऐड करता हूँ। आप लोग सेम तरीके से कर सकते हैं। यहाँ से कर लेता हूँ। ड्यू टू टाइम कंस्टेंट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू द लॉट ऑफ लाइक फॉर्मेटिंग हेयर, बट या जो भी बेसिक चीज़ें हैं वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू डू, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू फॉर्मेटिंग, इट्स नॉट कॉल्ड लाइक a formatting here, it's called like a storytelling skill, how to like your data talk to like a management, how your data like able to explain the your findings in a management in to the managerial position in a easiest possible way, right? So this is the way actually we are going to use. So like this, and I just want to copy the same format, paste it, same format, paste it here, copy the same, paste it here, and copy the same and paste it here like this, and just need to select the both object and select the being to front, being to send to back, send to backward, no, send to, just do send to back, and you are able to find out that it's going to just select the one object only here, and right click and send to back, and when we send the back it's going to proper unvisible. So we can resize this like this and make the group, we are able to make the group like this. And for this also we are just going to follow the same thing, and just going to make it also group like this, like this, like this. I think everything is clear to you guys. Till here everyone are able to follow the same, right? So यहाँ से जाके इस तरीके से हम जो है ग्रुप कर देंगे, ठीक है। तो ये अच्छे से आप देख पा रहे हैं, यहाँ तक हमने जो है कर लिया है, और ये बहुत अच्छे से विजुअल हो रहा है आप लोगों को, ठीक है। अब यहाँ से हम जाएंगे, कुछ हमें जो है जो ट्रेंड हमें लगाना है उस तरीके से, जो हमारा पहला मंथली ट्रेंड था, इसके लिए हम जाएंगे सिंपल सा कंट्रोल ए करेंगे। और यहाँ तक अगर अभी तक आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं या समझ पा रहे हैं तो एक बार कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिए, जिससे कि जो है हमें भी समझ में आ जाए कि आप लोग को ये सब चीज़ें अच्छे से क्लियर हो रही हैं, ठीक है। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ यहाँ तक अच्छे से समझ में आ ही रहा होगा आप लोगों को, ठीक है। तो जैसा कि मैं अब आगे जो है हम लोग अब जो है अपना जो है विजुलाइजेशन के लिए जो है चार्ट और ग्राफ्स को यूज़ करने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे देयर आर सम रिकमेंडेड चार्ट्स एज वेल, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वी हैव द अदर ऑप्शन एज वेल। सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज़ द रिकमेंडेड चार्ट एरिया, I'm just going to use the recommended, and there are no recommended chart, no worries. So just going to use this one. Okay, it's not give me the proper data, so 1 minute. We just need to select this range like this and insert. Under the insert section we have this, call this, why this is happening, this section. So empty 0, no. um in the insert section we have the pivot chart option. Okay, under the pivot chart option we are just going to change it, change the chart type line like this. Okay, so now we are able to get the our objective which we are looking for. So इस तरीके से आप कर सकते हैं. कुछ लोगों को रिकमेंडेशन में भी आ जाएगा. इफ़ यू गाइज आर नॉट फाउंड इन द रिकमेंडेशन, तो सो यू कैन गाइज follow the same thing like this which I have follow here. So like this we just need to like create in proper way, and here we also need to like add our data level like this. And once you click here, you are able to get the things. and बस इसके बाद हम जस्ट जाएंगे यहाँ से, इसको कंट्रोल एक्स कॉपी कर लेंगे और डैशबोर्ड में जाके यहाँ पे कुछ इस तरीके से पेस्ट कर देंगे. और इसको कुछ इस तरीके से हम जो है ड्रैग करके इसको यहाँ पे इस तरीके से सेट कर देंगे. आप देख पा रहे होंगे कुछ इस तरीके से हमारा जो है हम कर पा रहे हैं कि मंथ वाइज कितना सेल हुआ है उसका ट्रेंड हमें यहाँ पे दिख पा रहा है, जो कि हमारा फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव था. एंड सेकंड वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज revenue by category, just control A, and pivot table analyzer section. And otherwise in the insert section, under the insert section there are a lot of recommended chart, but it's not recommending anything. So just I'm just going to use the pivot chart option, and under the pivot chart we are able to see that this option. I'm just going to remove the things, and like this. I'm not going to like a deep dive with the formatting, because if I going to like a deep dive with the formatting, so it's going to take a lot of time. So because of that I'm not going to that much deep dive. So you guys can use data label as well here, and just control X to copy and paste it over here. So this is our second objective, and adjust the size like this. And I think everyone are able to do the same thing till here, right? आप लोग अपने अकॉर्डिंग जो भी फॉर्मेटिंग करना चाहे कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई स्ट्रगल होता है, कहीं भी आपको डाउट होता है, तो डाउट क्लियर सेशन हम रख लेंगे. वहाँ पे जो है हम देख लेंगे कि किस तरीके से और एडवांसमेंट हम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा सेकंड ऑब्जेक्टिव मिल गया. थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, इसको हम जो है इस तरीके से क्वान्टिटी बाई साइज हमको दिखाना है कि साइज बाई हाउ मच क्वान्टिटी सोल्ड. सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस, and in the insert section, and we are able to find out the pivot chart option. And the pivot chart option we are able to find out this, and just going to control X and paste it here. So it's visible. Remove this and make it like this. So I think it is also visible to you guys, and you guys can also like copy the format. It's not allowed, it's not going to allow, it's not allow here. Okay, no problem. We are just going to remove this grid line here. From here we are just going to do some cleaning part here like this, and remove the total from here, remove this total from here, and remove this from here. And now we are able to find out, we are able to analyze our data. Quantity sold by the size wise. You can see large is contributing more, and XL is double XL is contributing very less, right? And fourth was peak wise, peak stage wise analysis. For that we are going to select the data and insert, and the pivot chart option, and here we can see the same thing, just going to delete like this. I think till here everyone like familiar with the things here, you can see, and I am just going to add the data label here. So just control X and paste it over here. तो इस तरीके से आप जो है इसको यहाँ पेस्ट कर दीजिए। यहाँ पे हम जो है अच्छे से कर पा रहे हैं, आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे। ये मंथली वाइज हमको सॉरी डे वाइज हमको दिखा रहा है कि सेल किस दिन सबसे ज़्यादा हुआ है। तो आप अभी आप देख पाएंगे यहाँ पे, तो फ्राइडे को सेल सबसे ज़्यादा हुआ है, उसके बाद सैटरडे को हुआ है, उसके बाद थर्सडे को हुआ है, ठीक है। बाकी मंडे को, ट्यूसडे को और संडे को जो है सेल कम हो रही है, ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से आप देख सकते हैं डेटा को, ठीक है। थर्ड पीक आवर्स वाइज एनालिसिस हमको करना है, तो इस तरीके से हम यहाँ से जाएंगे और यहाँ से पहले हम चार्ट को बना लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम इसके अंदर से जो जो फाइंडिंग्स होगी उसको मैं आपको बता दूंगा एक बार, क्या क्या फाइंडिंग्स हमने निकाला, और आप लोग भी देख पाएंगे अच्छे से। तो उसको जो है जिससे कि इंटरव्यू में आप अच्छे से उसको क्लियर बता पाएँ। यहाँ पे मैं जाऊँगा और डेटा लेवल भी ऐड कर दूँगा। यहाँ से जाके इस तरीके से डेटा लेवल भी ऐड कर दिया, कंट्रोल X करूँगा और यहाँ जाके डैशबोर्ड में इसको भी मैं पेस्ट करने वाला हूँ कुछ इस तरीके से। और आप लोग देख पाएंगे कि सब कुछ जो है अच्छे से अरेंज हो जा रहा है। विद इन अ सेकेंड वी आर एबल टू मेक आवर डैशबोर्ड लाइक दिस, and we also need to sort this data so that it could be sorted in a sorting order, so that just sort like this. And here you can see, sorry, here you can see it's a sorting in proper format, right. So we are able to make this some smaller so that we can arrange our data proper. सो यहाँ तक अच्छे से सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा। अब हमारा आखिरी एनालिसिस बचा हुआ है जो कि है टॉप पिज़्ज़ा बाई रेवेन्यू। तो इसके लिए भी हम जाएंगे सिंपल सा, यहाँ से जाके यहाँ से रिकमेंडेड में देखेंगे तो कुछ नहीं दिखा रहा है, तो प्राइवेट चार्ट ऑप्शन में जाके यहाँ से हम जो है इस तरीके से इसको ले लेंगे इस चार्ट को, और इस तरीके से जो है हम दिखा देंगे आपको कि किस तरीके से जो है ये डेटा जो है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है और क्या क्या एनालिसिस हमने इससे निकाला है। तो यहाँ पे हमने यूज़ किया है बार चार्ट, कॉलम चार्ट, लाइक दिस मेनी थिंग्स वी हैव यूज्ड हियर, राइट। सो इसको अगर मैं चेंज करना चाहूँ लाइन कॉलम से, मैं इसको अगर बार चार्ट में बदलना चाहूँ तो क्या यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आ रहा है? ओके, कुछ इस तरीके से भी हम इसको कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। और इसको भी मैं जाके इस तरीके से सॉर्ट भी कर सकता हूँ। यहाँ से जाके तो हम लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट इस तरीके से, या फिर स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट भी इसको हम कर देंगे, कुछ इस तरीके से हो जाएगा। और इसको जस्ट हम जाएंगे कंट्रोल X करके कॉपी करेंगे और यहाँ पे जाके इस तरीके से पेस्ट कर देंगे। तो ये भी जो है अच्छे से हमको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हैं अच्छे से सब कुछ हमको समझ में आ रहा है कि कौन कौन सा पिज़्ज़ा साइज़ है, कौन कौन सा पिज़्ज़ा है जो कि अच्छा सेल कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है। इस तरीके से बहुत सारा कुछ एनालिसिस हम कर पा रहे हैं। हमने प्रॉपर जो है डिज़ाइन भी कर ली है प्रॉपर अच्छे से, और इसको जो है इस कुछ इस तरीके से एडजस्ट कर लिए हैं, ठीक है। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ टिल हेयर एवरीवन आर क्लियर विद द ऑब्जेक्टिव, एंड टिल हेयर एवरीवन आर एबल टू follow the same thing, and now we have to connect our dashboard with our slicers, right. So for that we also going to use some technique that is called to how to connect with slicer. So if till here everyone are able to do the same, and everyone are able to follow, so please let me know so that we can start with other objective as well. So अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है आपको, ठीक है। So उम्मीद करता हूँ till here everything is going to clear to you guys. Everyone are able to follow the same. Everyone are able to make this dashboard within the some minute actually, and every analysis are going to become with our initial state, like getting the problem statement from the a stakeholder or the for management side. So we have to analyze our data and represent in a proper way, so that anyone can by seeing data can understand what our data is going to say. So we are just going to connect our slicer with our uh, uh, our tables. For that purpose we are just going to uh, use right click and report connection, and the report connection we are just going to add this with all the pivot table option like this. And once we are going to do the ok, and if you click here, so now you can see everything is going to change. It's a now it's a proper in a proper format. So like this we are able to do the same. And if you click here, so here you can see nothing is going to change because it's still not connected to, only connected with the one. So that's the reason it's not going to change. So for that purpose we are also going to connect with our all the chart and graphs. So like this we are just going to click, and here till here. And for timeline also we are just going to report connection like this, and add this connection with all the pivot table, so that it make things proper dynamic like this. Now you can see when you click the large size like this, so it's going to filter all the data by large size. And if you want to see the only April data, so you can click here, and you are now able to find out the data like this. Here some data added, so I think we should need to check this field option. So for that I am just going to remove all the options, and here I'm just going to with the option, and I'm just going to edit. I think we should need to check where we have applied the timeline. So here you can see the timeline option, and the timeline we are going to use the order date, and okay. And I'm just going to remove something like header, scroll bar, time level, and selection panel like this. And I'm just going to use this one and remove that one, because that was invalid field. It's contains some invalid field. And I'm just going to use this one, control X, and paste it over here. Like this, just pressing the control, and make it like this, and this, and here you can see it's proper visual. And if you need to create connection, just need to create the connection from here, like this. Once you click, you are able to do the things here. Done. Okay, now it's a connected, and it's a proper working, right? So to overcome this, just control and click again. Otherwise just right click, sorry, control Z, just right click and clear filter. And for this, just control and again select the same, control and control and click again. Sorry. something is happening with my system. Let me reopen our Excel. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have done all the things like this, right? And that page was missed now, so I have to recover that page, and I'll share that page with you guys. And I think we have done all the part here, and we have all the problem statement here. You can see clearly our problem statement, and we are able to solve our problem, right? This, and we have to problems can create an interactive Excel dashboard to analyze page sales performance and answer the key business questions like revenue generation and the trend over time. For that purpose, we used our trend trend chart here. You can see clearly. Okay, now here it is. So I'm just going to remove this clear filter and also clear filter. Okay, so here you can see we, for that purpose, we use the trend where it's like a show us the monthly wise trend, how it's generated like a Jan, Feb, March, and like this. And we can mention the business objective in our resume headline, right? And uh, I'm just going to remove, and I'm just going to turn on my camera. So hi guys, we are able to make our proper dashboard. So here the some we are able to analyze our proper data, right? So for dashboard analysis, we have the we are able to find out the revenue shows consistent trend, noticeable seasonal variance, right? So some certain months are contributing the more significantly to total sales. Here you can see clearly. Let me just share to you screen. Here you can see some of the month is certain month contribute the more significantly to total sales, right? And uh, let me turn on my camera so that I'm able to make you guys understand in a proper way. So I think I'm visual, and okay, and my screen is also visible to you guys, right? So here we are able to find out the revenue shows a consistent trend, noticeable trend here. So here you can see certain month uh, कंट्रीब्यूट द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंटली टू टोटल सेल्स। यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हैं कुछ जो है मंथ जो है कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, जो कि सिग्निफिकेंटली सेल से ज़्यादा ही वो सेल दे पा रहे हैं। यहाँ पे आप देख पाएंगे, ठीक है, कुछ इस तरीके से बाय यूजिंग सेल्स। एंड फॉर प्रोडक्ट परफॉर्मेंस यू कैन सी सम क्लासिक, you can see classic. For second objective, you can see the classic and supreme category. Classic and supreme category contribute the highest revenue, right? And the large and the medium pizza size. And if you think about the this analysis here, this part, so you are able to find out that our large and medium size or large and medium pizza size is dominate the a total sales quality, right, quantity. And the top 10, if you think about the top 10 pizza accounts for a major sales of total revenue, so it's here you can see. So for customer behavior, you can see peak ordering hour, or our peak ordering hours are during lunch and dinner. Here you can see that during lunch and dinner. Here you can see 12 and 13, that is denote that the peak ordering hours are during the our lunch and dinner time, right? And the weekends generate higher revenue compared to the weekdays. Here you can see clearly. So you can see clearly weekend is generate the high revenue if you compare with our big days. So and menu efficiency, you can see here excel and the double excel sizes was a very low demand. Here you can see clearly the excel and double excel is going to show the very low demand. Some pizza sale is high quantity but generate the lower revenue, right? So this is the things we have to find, we are able to find out with our dashboard summary, right? And for business recommendation, you can do recommend promote like a top three pizzas and top performing category by combo offers and something like that. Marketing strategies they can apply, like introduce size based upscaling, upgrade from medium to large, something like that. There are a lot of marketing strategies they can apply over there, right? So in operational planning, you can see increase the staffing and inventory during the peak hour. In a peak hours, you should have to increase the staffing and inventory during the peak hour, right? And run the promotional offer during the peak of days and hours, so that that time also revenue is going to increase. So menu optimization also here, you should have to uh, you should have to mm, increase the staffing and inventory during the increase the staffing and the inventory during the peak hours. And my screen is not visible to you guys, so I'm just going to turn on this. Okay, no problem at all. So so menu optimization, you should have to reprice, rebrand or remove the bottom selling prices pizzas from, adjust the pricing for the high value or low revenue pizzas. So these kind of the recommendation you can give the business for the menu optimization section, right? Right. And for inventory strategy, you can align the ingredient purchasing and demand from the top selling pizza, so that it's going to contribute more in our a sale. And reduce the waste by planning the inventory based on size and category trend. So creating these things, we are able to do the proper analysis and increase our sales. So this is the overall our today agenda, and we are able to analyze our pizza sales behavior data, so that we have answered a lot of question of the from business side. And now we are able to create our fully dynamic excel report within some minutes. You can see within 1.5 hour, within the 1.5 hour, we are able to make the proper excel dashboard by using the by using the mm, just by using the some excel formula and power table only, right? So till here I think everything is clear and everyone are able to grab the things. And if someone is calling that has a screen is black, not visible anything, so uh, it's I think we have done with the agenda. So you can watch previous videos, just go and watch from the starting, so you are able to build a proper dashboard from the very beginning, right? So we have done for today agenda. And for upcoming classes, I have planned to start with our SQL, because the SQL is going to be very powerful for data analysis, as you know guys. And the demand of SQL is increases because of SQL is a real business tool for data handling, right? For data analyzing for large amount of data, we are going to use SQL. So I have planned to start our SQL classes from the upcoming classes for Saturday, right? And if you guys have any doubt with the any topic related to Excel, just comment in the WhatsApp channel or comment in the video section, and join WhatsApp channel also, so that you guys are stay updated with the our upcoming videos and upcoming classes. So because I have this is the actually part of the 5 month of data analyst journey, and we have today we are able to like we have done with our Excel dashboard and reports which we can like add in your resume and portfolio. So till here everything is clear I believe, and everyone are able to grab the things. सो यहाँ तक सबको अच्छे समझ में आ रहा होगा, सब उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। तो आने वाली क्लास में हम देखेंगे एसक्यूएल जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। तो टिल हेयर थैंक यू, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में जिसमें हम बहुत ही लाजवाब टॉपिक एसक्यूएल के बारे में बात कर रहे होंगे, ठीक है। थैंक यू वेरी मच, बाय बाय।